Okay, so hi everyone. Hello, hi. Uh, my name is Abdul Rehman. I am MLSA, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador from MLSA View, and our today topic is Innovate Faster with Microsoft Power Platform, which is the series of Microsoft Symposium event. So today's topic is going to be very informational topic about Microsoft platform, Power Platforms. You will learn a lot today. So we will discuss all the tools that include in the Microsoft Power Platforms. So let's get started. Uh, Here is the first picture on the left side, which you are seeing is the event, which is Microsoft Symposium hosted by Osama Mahmood. And today's uh, event is a part of that, which is Innovate Faster with MS Power Platform. So let's move next. We will do everything practically. Uh, First, we will see the theory of particular tool, and then we will move to our practical part, our practical session. Okay. So our today's session agenda is first, let me see that everything is going well. You can also tell me in the chat that you can hear me clearly and my screen is visible to you. Uh, just show me, just react or tell me in the chat. Okay, thank you. So then we will start our session. Okay, everything is perfect. Please allow everyone which is in the lobby. Uh, it is request to my co-organizer that allow everyone which is in the who are in the lobby. So our today's session agenda is first of all we will see the introduction of today's session, which is Microsoft Power Platform. Then we will explore Microsoft Power Tools one by one, like uh, there are 5 to 6 tools in Microsoft Power Platforms, and we will see one by one of every tool. Okay. Then we will move to our next topics, which are benefits, example, and practicals of that tools. Okay. And in the last, we will conduct a short Q&A session in which you will ask any question related to these Microsoft Power Platforms tools. Okay. Uh, Otherwise, you will also drop your questions in the chat or raise your hand. I will uh, take your question. I will unmute you and take your question. So let's get started with Microsoft Power Platform, which is our today's topic. Uh, Microsoft Power Platforms provide their user friendly interface, and this include some of the tools like you are seeing on the screen, uh, Power BI, Automate, apps, virtual agents, and Power Pages. So with these tools, we can automate our work. We can easily make our websites without having the experience of coding. These tools are also called low code, no code tools. So we can use them. We can use these tools in a very easily and user friendly environment. So let's get started with our first tool. Uh, Time is very short because we have to cover our session before or on 9 p.m. and we have a lots of tools like these. five tools. Okay, so we have to be quick to cover all these tools with practicals. Let's move to our first tool, which is Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is generally a tool uh, just like Microsoft Excel. So this is for data analysts and the people who are working with uh, data and data platforms. This tool is made for those people like data analyst and data engineers, data scientists. These are all developers or peoples who can use this Microsoft Power BI, and these all tools were created or made by Microsoft. So don't worry, your data is safe in these tools. Okay. So what is Microsoft Power BI? Power BI is providing you a user-friendly interface, just drag and drop interface, just like Microsoft Excel. If you used Microsoft Excel, almost all the tools are similar to Microsoft Power Excel. Power BI is same like Microsoft Excel. So if you used Microsoft Excel, you can easily use Power BI, and most of the tools in Microsoft Power BI is similar to Microsoft Excel. Uh, the advantage of using Power BI is that uh, there is some limitation in Microsoft Excel. So you can use Microsoft Power BI to enhance your work, to upgrade your work with more options, with more tools. So we will see how we can install Power BI or use or access Power BI from a browser. So if you want to uh, use Power BI in browser, you can also use it in your mobiles. Just write here Power BI. And if you have any question, just drop in the chats. I will cover your questions in the last. Uh, Power BI. Just click on it and you will access Power BI. Let me click on this. So all these tools, Microsoft Power Platforms, you can access these tools free of cost, but there are for higher levels like uh, the advanced tools, you need to pay. You need to pay for this. Like you can see here are price of this Power BI. If you have access to Microsoft 365, you can use these tools, most of these tools, free of cost. And if you have no access to Microsoft 365, then still you can use these tools. Some of the tools in these tools, you can use them free. But for higher level, for advanced tools, you may need to pay some price to this. Okay. So for using this in browser, just click on get started. And if you have account, then just sign in. And if you have no account, you need to sign up and then sign in. I'm using the uh, desktop version of Power BI. Let me show you. For accessing Power BI on a desktop version, you need to go to Store, Microsoft Store, and just right here type Power BI like this. And here is Power BI desktop. You need to install it and access it. I already installed it. Now I just need to open this Power BI. It's just similar to Microsoft Excel. If you use Excel, then you will be familiar with most of the tools of Power BI. Uh, just close the store. It will open faster. Okay, it's open. For Power BI desktop version, you don't need to sign in for using it. If you sign in, then it's good. But if you didn't sign in or if you have no account, then it's okay. You can still use it. Let me close this, and for accessing it, just I have already created this one file, and just click on open or click on okay, just click on open, browse this device. You need to select one of the file like Excel. Uh, okay, I'm going to open the Excel file. There are some more uh, options like import data from Excel, import data from servers, etc. Okay, so just I'm going to choose the Excel file. Okay, you need to click. I'm not seeing any file here. Okay, I'm going to click on this import Excel file and then teacher data or student data. Okay, let me open the student data. It will take some time and our data table will show here. Okay, select this one and load it. Here you can see our data in this file. Okay, load this. Now our data will be show here. It will take some time and okay. It's done. 3 rows loaded, and now you can play with this. Like you can uh, create charts, create anything like right here. You can add text box like this. Like student, I want to make student dashboard like here. Bold it and give it a font 40. This is there are lots of options. You can see right here. Here are hundreds of options. You need to select according to your requirement. Now I want to make the chart this one, and if you uh, add if you want to insert any data, so here is our file which I have selected student data file. So just click on it. Like I'm showing age here and grade here. Uh, or I can show the names here or something like that. I want to show the student name, and you can just click on it or drag and drop. Like I can drag and drop it right here or here. Now first I'm going to drag it and drop it right on the x-axis. So it will be showing us on the x-axis, and I'm going to show the edge right here, uh, drop it here. So it will show us the edge of the students. You can also select more things like grades. I'm going to select grades and drop it here. Okay, we will more customize this chart. Like our chart is created like this one. If we want to change the background of this dashboard, so just click on it, uh, click on the background and click on this format your report page. Click on this. There are lots of options. Just click on canvas background and click on some of color like purple, red, anything you want. I want to make it purple, and here you can see the transparency is 100%, so you need to less the percentage of it. So you will see the background of it. Uh, Now I want to smaller the size of this table like this one, and the table color is white. You can also, the chart color is white. You can also change it from here. Just click on format your visuals and click on generals. Uh, Click on effects, I think. And yes, from here you can change the color of your chart. Like I'm going to my chart visible in this color. So you can select this one. If you want to make your chart something like glassy look, you can provide the color to it like this. So your data will be show like this. And if you want to make another chart or uh, give it another look like donut one, like this one, pie chart, you can easily do it by just clicking on it. If you want to make a copy of this, Control C, Control V, and here is your copy of this chart. You want to make this chart like hide the names of students, so you can. If you want to make it a donut like chart, you can just click on it and it will create a donut chart for you in a seconds. So it's very beneficial for data analysts who are working on data. So uh, they can easily create the charts, etc. from here. So here is our data. If you want to change the color of this, you can again go to here and make something like this one. This is not really cool, but uh, I just show you how you can customize it. If you want to change the color of this chart and data, so you can do it like this. Okay, I hope you understand. You can also customize the color of this one and also font color, font size, etc. Anything. If you want to make the chart color similar, just click on this, like uh, this format and this format will be same. So just click on it, format painter. These all are the tools which are also available in Excel file. So just click on it and click on this. So your chart will be showing like same. There are a lot more options. You can further uh, explore them. Okay, if you want to add all the details, you can still add the details like here. If you want to make this chart like in cluster bar chart, so just click on it and it will be showing like cluster chart. If you want to add student ID, so just click on it and it will show up. Okay, so this is Power BI. I hope you uh, enjoyed it. You can further explore more things like in insert modeling. You can add formulas, etc. Uh, my aim was to just show you how the Power BI works. Okay, so if you have any further query about Power BI, so just drop in the chats. I will questions your answer. Now let's, if you want to save your file, just click on this one or click on this save as, uh, just show the path and give your file a name like student dash, and in documents I want to show save in documents and save. My file is saved. Okay, I didn't sign in right here. You can use these tools free of cost. Okay, just close it and let's check what is our next. Like you can create the charts like this and show your data like this also. And just move to the next part. I also covered this Microsoft Power Platform in my previous session. So just uh, explore it a little more. You can also download it from Microsoft Store, okay, and also use in your browser. Let me open it, Microsoft Power Platform. Okay, while it is opening, I'm going to show you the Power BI developer. Okay, yes, I will cover your question. Wait a little more. For Power Automate, you need to sign in. You need to have an account, okay, to use it. There are also a lot of options. You can automate your work. Uh, uh, if you download it and install it, you can and open it, you will see the screen right here, just like this. And here you can see my flows and some of the example. I show you some of the practical example of Power Automate. Like you can play with Excel, web automations, you can do desktop automation, dead time handling. And what are these? Don't worry, I'm going to show you. Like first, I'm going to open the text automation. There are uh, these are examples of Power Automate. You can create your own Power Automate flow. What is flow? Flow is nothing but just uh, automation, like what you want from Power Automate. Okay, so if I click on this text automation, and here are some of the example what I want, like count lines of text file. Okay, if I click on this, or I can edit it and customize it also. For now, I want to just run it. You can also double click on it or just run it. Okay, it's preparing and it will now run. Okay, it's running. Uh, they show, okay, they said select any file. So I will count the lines of files which included in the file. Okay, so I'm going to select any file. I can also select this one, but I have made some file right here, like this one, 100 names. Let me open and show you. Here are 100 lines, maybe 100 lines, but 100 names. Okay, so I just click on this and open this. So it will show the file has 100 lines. Okay, in the same way, we can choose another one and extract phone numbers and email from text. You can also do that, but I'm going to select anyone from uh, flow control, text automation, PDF. In PDF automation, get images from PDF. You can get some images from PDF, extract tables from PDF, and create PDF from selected PDF pages. Okay, uh, get images from PDF, etc. If you scroll down, you will see something like this. You can create your own automation from there. New flow. Just click on it and you can create your own automation. Let me show you one more example, like which mostly people use. Uh, I'm going to my flow. I'm going to name this flow. I'm creating new one and name it my flow. Just create it, and now I'm going to edit it. Currently editing. Okay, let's create it. Let complete it, and then we will open it and will show how it's working. Okay, it's takes some time. Just click on refresh. Okay, it's opened already. So what I'm going to tell you, uh, just click on this recorder. If it's not opening, just open the another one, which is in the list. I'm going to open this one. This will work in the same way. And this is the my flow. This one is new flow. So choose anyone, like I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to show you the option of this recorder. This is very amazing feature of Power Automate. Just click on it and it will record your cursor. Okay, it will record your cursor, and what you are going to do, it will record it and make a flow of this. Like I'm going to click on, okay, minimize this first. Uh, Minimize this and minimize this. Okay, so this is my desktop. Okay, I'm going to click on this record and the recording is started. Now I am going to click on MLSA event folder. Okay, I double clicked it and it has been recorded and saved it right here. Now I'm going to click on done. You can create anything. Okay. I just click on done and it has been created. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on run. Okay. Just watch it. I'm going to click on run and you see, you saw, okay, it automatically clicked on this button. I didn't. Let me show you once again. Uh, just click on this and minimize it. Now my hand is up and it will automatically work. Okay. Uh, First stop it and then let me close this one. And now you can see you can add more thing here. Okay. Just let me show you once more. Just click on run. Yeah, it's worked fine. Okay, you saw this. So this is one of the example of Power Automate. You can do a lot more with this. The record option is brilliant. You can use it. Uh, you can also use it for our browser. If you are a freelancer and doing a freelancing, uh, you must be online, okay, for 24 hours. And for that, you can create automation like this. Uh, like refresh, like automation of refresh page, uh, and set a timer like 15 minutes, and after every 15 minutes it will refresh your page uh, of freelancing. So it is very beneficial in many works, like you can use it. Okay, so this is just one of the example. Let me close this. You can save it from here, but I don't want to save this flow. Okay, so here are some of the uh, templates you can use from here, or you can create one from here. Okay, Excel automation, web automation, desktop automation. In web automation, open a web page, take screenshot of web page, get metadata of web page. Okay, so just explore it. It's free of cost. Okay, just download from Microsoft Store and use it. So this was our second topic of today's session, which is Power Automate. Okay, it's a SaaS platform. SaaS means software as a service, and it's owned by s- and software as a service means that everything you are doing is on the cloud. Okay, and it's a very comprehensive topics. I don't want to describe it further, and it is a part of Microsoft Power Platform, which we already know. Let's move to the next topic. Please drop your questions related to Power Automate, Power BI, any of the tools. I will give you answer in last. Okay, we saw the examples of this Power Automate, and let's move. Microsoft Power Apps. It's again a very good tool of Microsoft Power Platform. For accessing it, I don't know its app is available on store or not. I am using it on browser. Uh, Power Apps. Yes, it's available. You can download it from Microsoft Store, but I'm using it on a desktop. This is a file which I already created there, but for accessing it, you just need to type Power Apps. Okay, and just click on it. Power App, try for free. Uh, the same condition is for Power Apps like Power BI and other ones. Like it's free, you can use it's free, but for premium content, premium tools, you may have to pay for some tools. Okay, just click on try for free and sign in. I already signed in, and I and you can also access it from Microsoft 365. Like just open Microsoft 365, and in apps you can use it from there. Okay, Power Apps. It's opening, guys. Wait for some minutes, some seconds. Yes, it's opened. So this is also a drag and drop, low code, no code tool. Okay, you don't need to have a coding experience to make apps. Okay, so this is a dashboard of Power Apps. For creating app, you just need to click on create. You can learn anything about Microsoft Power Apps from here. There are some tutorials which you can watch. There are some learning paths on Microsoft Learn platforms. You can also uh, explore that. Okay, there are some courses free of cost. You can take these courses, community article support. Uh, our work is just with create. So just click on create. You can create many types of apps like blank app, data from Dataverse, SQL, Excel. You can connect Excel file with your app. So your all data of app will be shown in Excel sheet or Excel format. Uh, Microsoft Apps also provides you these templates which you can use for your app building, or you can use them for Power Pages. Power Pages is another platform which we will be covering next. So let's create a blank app. Just click on it. There are further three options available. A blank canvas app, blank app based on Dataverse or Power Pages websites. Okay. So this is a totally different thing. So I want to click on create. I want blank canvas app. I want to create from scratch. Okay. Uh, MLSA app. Okay, MLSA app one. And I'm creating this app for phones. Just click on create, and this will give you a template and some options which you can drag and drop. Just skip this one. And here you can see the template of phone. And I want to create something like registration form of my page, my app, or I want to create a sign in page. Just make a sign in page. Okay. I want to create a sign in page. Click a text label, sign in page. You can select any font from here. These are These are also fonts uh, which you want to align. And from here, you can give a size of the font like 50. This is sign in page. You can customize it. I want another text form, and you see it's very easy to build our app. Email. We also want email in this format, and text will be like this. Email and edit form. In the edit form, you can also connect some of the table. So uh, your data will be saved in Excel file. So I don't want it. uh, I want to just remove it by clicking on delete button from keyboard. I want text input. In text input, the user can uh, give their email. I just selected these two, Control C, Control V, and I just pasted it right here. Now you give it a name like password, and you can also create a button of sign in from here. Sign in. You can also add a link over here. Just click on it, and from here you can also select anything which you want. And upon clicking on anything, like on button I clicked, here you can see here are some of the tools. If I want the color of this button like red, so I just need to click on red and it will be converted to red button. Okay. And you can create in the same way. You can further explore it. I created this page. If you want to save this one, if you want to see your uh, preview of the app, just click on it, and here is your preview of app. Like here, user write their name, uh, their email, and password, and click on sign in. Okay, I just quickly create this app, and you can further you can create your own. I just click on this. Okay, and now I'm going to save it. You can also give this app a URL and share it anywhere you want. If I share it, okay, save to this computer or in cloud. Let me click to save. Refresh this. It will save and I can share it with anyone. Your app is ready. Okay, download. So here is my app, which is ready, and I can now easily convert it to any thing like in APK format, etc. by using some more tools, obviously. Okay, so this is my app. We can add data to it and many things, many options are here. Okay, there is AI builder, charts, shapes, icons, media, layout, display, a lots of things uh, which you are required to build any kind of app. So there is no coding involved in it. Just drag and drop. Like you want this one, just drag and drop it right here. So we cover the power apps also. Uh, if you have fast internet, then you can build your app in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I have just created it. You need more screen. You also create more screen of this app. Themes you can select from here. Okay, let's move to our next app or tool, which is virtual agent. So this is interesting tools which Microsoft Power Platform provides to us, and you can create your own bot like this. So if someone question to it, it will automatically answer. And you can customize the answers, questions, anything you want. You can also share the bot with someone. Okay, so you cannot directly uh, access to Power Virtual Agent. If you type it right here, you can't able to view. If you click on it, it's not Power Virtual Agent, it's a Power Automate page. Okay. So for accessing, either you need to go to Microsoft Copilot Studio. Okay. This one, the first link, or there are some more options like go to Power Apps, and from here, I can't see here. Okay. Just go to Power Apps home page, and from here you can see the chat bot option. Okay. And if you can't see the chatbot option, just click on more and you can bookmark it like this one. Just click on it and you will see the chatbot option right here. Just click on it, chatbots, create a new chatbot. Click on this button. I have already created one, and if you want to create one more, just click on this new chatbot. Okay. Okay, it's here. Copilot name means your bot name. Just give your bot a name like my my bot or my virtual agent. Okay. You can also give your website name if you want to deploy, but you can also select this option if you create this one, my virtual agent, and you can select this option lately. Okay, just click on create now. We don't need to give any website name now. We can deploy our virtual agent or bot after creating it. Okay, so let me close the other things like power apps. Just leave power apps, power agent. Okay. So here is a basic interface of our Power Agent. Let me talk with him. With this chatbot, I say hi and it will reply something like, "Hello, how can I help you today?" Okay, so this is a bot. Allow it. Okay, okay. It's showing something like this. If you uh, if you give a question, if you give him question like this, good afternoon, good morning, hello, hi, hi, okay, you can further edit these phrases. You can add questions right here. So it will reply, this chatbot will reply, "Hello, how can I help you today?" Which I already seen right here. And end all topics. It will end all topics, okay? If you further question it like hi, it will again reply the same way. Hello, how, if you say good, good morning, it will again reply the same way. So you can customize it by clicking on edit button right here. Here are a lots of more options. Uh, you can add more uh, questions like this, like what is Microsoft Symposium? Okay, and click on this plus button. I need to click on this, or I have to. Okay, okay. I can also add another questions like click on this, send a message, ask questions. Okay, I'm going to ask question from here. What is Microsoft Symposium? Okay, for identifications you need to setting up here. Okay, like add questions, add options, um add anything from here. Simple text, you can select simple text from here, like file, money. Okay, I can't see the text as of now. User entire response. Okay, I can select something like table, number, strings. Okay, create new. Okay, it's a long process, guys. Uh, Let me make it clearer. So just remove it, delete it, and I want to edit this one, delete this, delete this. Okay. Now I want to add something like here, message variation. Okay, I want to add this one. Microsoft Symposium is an MLSA event. Just click it, click outside of it, and okay. Now I'm assuming it will give the answer like this. If I ask him, what is Microsoft Symposium? It will show first, hello, how can I help you today? Microsoft Symposium is an Microsoft event. Just see it. What is Microsoft Symposium? Okay, Microsoft Symposium is an MLSA event. Yes. If I ask him, hello, so it automatically identifies and uh, give us the result of Microsoft Symposium is an MLSA event. If I ask him hello, it again replied with the same answer. Microsoft Symposium is an event. So you can customize it from here further, like which answer do you want, change trigger from here, and add more answer and questions here. Just click on, okay. If you want to save it, just click on this save. You can also share it, and you can also deploy it with your Microsoft Teams. If you want to add it right here, just click on it, type it, uh, agent. I didn't install it, I think. Click on get more apps, and from here you will find it, agent. Okay, you will find it and just click on it, and you can also implement it on your Microsoft Teams. I am not able to find it. Was it? Okay, time is short and we have to cover more things. So uh, if you find it, just click on the power agent. Yes, here is. Just click on add, and uh, your power agent will be there. Okay, and you can click and edit the options from here. You will see it on Teams like this. You can integrate it with Teams and more customize it. Okay, just move to our next. I hope you get my points. Just go to Microsoft Power Pages, and in Microsoft Power Pages, we can create our pages, our websites. How? Let me show you. Here is a page of, here is official website or tool of Microsoft Power Pages. Just click on Google Power Pages and you will find it. Okay. Just click on next, next, or click on this. You can create your Power Pages website. I'm going to uh, click on home page. Here is home page of Power Pages. It's loading, and here is home page of Power Pages. They'll also give you templates, and you can select templates or you can create your own page. okay, on website from here. It's also a drag and drop method, so don't worry, you don't need to have any coding skills. Just choose anyone from here. I want to select this one. You can preview it or click on choose this template. So it will open, and Power Pages is also available on Microsoft 365. Here is. You can also access it from here. Okay, so give your site a name like my MLSA website. Okay, give it a URL like my MLSA website, and the extensions will be .powerappsportal.com. Okay, if you want to change this, uh, you need to buy some domain for your website. Just click on done, and this will take some time, and our website will be ready. Uh, the template will be ready, and our work will be just to drag and drop our data to website, and we can publish our website and share with somebody, uh, our friends, or anywhere we want. Okay, someone camera is on. So please off your camera. This will take some time, guys. I have already created one. Let me show you that one. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, it's opening. It's opened. Okay. So let's see it. It will take few more seconds. Okay, okay. You can also, they also implement or integrate Microsoft Copilot on Power Pages. You can also create your website with the help of Power Pages, like page design, data form, etc. Just type here and they will give you some of the designs or text, etc. Anything you want. So company logo, just click on it, and my MLSA website. Just type here, and you can also upload your logo, styling, etc., layouts. Okay, you can see my MLSA website. You can also, this is my website. You can add images, you can add anything you want. So after that, you can also add pages, means uh, like about page, section page, etc. You can rename it, like just click on this, and you can also rename it by page settings, name, about page, and you can also give some URL to it. Okay, this is our about page, and yes, if you finalize it and everything is perfect, just click on save. Now you are seeing it's private. You can uh, public it very easily. Uh, Manage site visibility. It's private. Site and developer will remain private and cannot be made public. Okay, so it's we can allow some of the people as a beginner if our website is under development or something like that. We can allow a few people to see this website which we already made. We can also apply this option public to anyone, but there are a few limitations we can learn from here. uh, if we complete it, then we can send it to anybody. Like we have requirement, we have some of the requirement to access the this page, like Microsoft uh, Power Pages. Uh, okay, Microsoft. Okay. Microsoft Power Pages. Here are few of the requirements which I need to show you. Security. Okay, now we will wrapping up our session. Please ask your questions, and uh, I'm finding a question of how we can share our websites. Okay, here it Power Pages community. How Power Pages security works. I think here it is. Site visibility. Okay. Yes, here is the page which I want to share with you. You can further uh, see the settings, and from private you can public your website. Okay. Okay. So let's see if we have any other. Okay, so we have covered all the tools of Microsoft Power Platform. We have just see the overview of this app. You can further explore more options, more tools in these apps. Okay, so feel free to ask any questions. Let's see the chat. There might be with your connectivity.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
So okay, वालेकुम सलाम.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन था अपना जैसे हम ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के ऊपर कर रहे हैं अपना पावर पेज पर प्रोग्राम एचटीएमएल के थ्रू कर रहे
Okay.
हैं अपना फ्रंट एंड कर रहे हैं हम
Yes.
तो हम
Ask complete question, please.
वीएस कोड पर भी हम मतलब के कर सकते हैं तो इजी मेथड ये है कि अपना वो वहाँ पे हम करें
इजी मेथड तो यही है। अगर आपको कोडिंग का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है तो उनके लिए ये हैं लो कोड नो कोड टूल्स। अगर आपको कोडिंग आती है तो इसमें ये होता है कि कुछ ऑप्शंस ही कुछ टूल्स ही हमारे पास होते हैं ना अवेलेबल। तो कोडिंग में यह है कि हम किसी तरह भी उसको कस्टमाइज वगैरह कर सकते हैं। तो इसमें जो टूल्स अवेलेबल होंगे सिर्फ आप वही इस्तेमाल कर सकेंगे। तो इनका ये है।
वैसे बेटर कौन सी है, ये वाली कि वहाँ वो वाली? मैं वैसे वो वाली करता हूँ,
बेटर तो
कोडिंग वाली।
अ, अगर कोडिंग करते हैं तो फिर ठीक है, वो कोडिंग ठीक है।
ठीक, ओके सर, थैंक यू सर बताने के
थैंक यू।
लिए।
थैंक यू। थैंक यू। Uh, Here is a question of what is Microsoft Power BI platform? So Microsoft Power BI role of Power BI developer. The role of Microsoft Excel developer or Microsoft Excel, the working of Microsoft Excel uh, person who is working with Microsoft Power Excel, the same way a Power BI developer is working. uh, they need to make charts of data, manipulate data, customize data, clean data, like this one. Uh, can also we get code of this UI. I don't know. I didn't get your point. Of is there any better alternative of this? Of what the last time change? Okay, class is ended. It seems complex and lengthy, adding and connecting questions. Yes, you can do with generative AI technique. You can create chatbot with generative AI by just giving it command. I think uh, everyone question has been answered. So we will pick the two winners from this session for LinkedIn Premium who engage more in chats. We will uh, find and give them a LinkedIn Premium after a few days. Okay, so we will mail them or we will answer them on this chat of Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our attending our today's session. And if you want to connect with me, here is my link tree. Uh, okay, this one. I'm going to copy this link and share with you. If you want to connect with me, you can connect with me. Okay. And if you have further any question, you can also uh, DM me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Now I am going to stop the recording.